Looking for a reliable note-taking app that covers all your needs? Look no further than Apple Notes. Don't be swayed by misconceptions. Apple Notes is a game-changer. Apple Notes has a user-friendly interface, prioritizing ease of use with simple menus and controls. With Apple Notes, you can effortlessly jot down ideas, scan documents, and keep everything organized in one place. Trust me, once you give Apple Notes a try, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's dive in. 1. Let's start with one of the standout features of Apple Notes, which is Quick Notes. With just a few taps, you can create notes instantly and access them from your control center. To add Quick Notes to your control center, follow these steps. Go to Settings. Open Control Center. Find Quick Note and tap the plus sign next to it to add it to your included controls. Once you see the Quick Note icon, tap on it to create a new Quick Note. 2. Scan Document. Use your iPhone to scan documents directly into your notes. For that, tap and hold on Notes, then select Scan Document. Take a photo of the document. After that, click on Keep Scan. File will be scanned. To select the file, click on File at the bottom left corner. You can also improve your scan with filters by tapping the three-circle button and selecting from the options provided. 3. Scan Text. Easily scan handwritten text using iPhone Notes. Use your iPhone or iPad to scan documents directly into your notes. Simply right-click on Notes, select Scan Document, take a photo and save it. Copy the content and paste it. This function enables searchable handwritten notes, eliminating manual transcription. 4. Share Extension. Apple Notes has a share extension that lets you save content from other apps directly to your notes. This feature makes it easy to capture information, links, articles, or images from the web or other apps and store them in your notes for reference or later use. For that, open the Safari app, navigate to the article you wish to copy and select the specific content you want to highlight. After that, click on Share button. Choose Add to Quick Note. A note will be created, with the highlighted area specified. You can also add link directly from Safari to Notes. For that, open Safari, click on Link and switch the app. Drag the link into Notes and link will be copied in Notes. 5. In Apple Notes, you can easily insert images and PDFs directly into your notes. To add images, click on the camera icon. Select Choose Photo, and add the desired photo. You can also customize the size of the photo. For that, tap on Photo. Then select View As and click on Small option as per your preference. To add PDF into your notes, click on Camera icon. Click on Scan Document. Click on the Save button to add the Scan PDF to your notes. To customize the size of the PDF, tap on it, then select View As and choose the small, medium, or large option based on your preference. While adding photos, you'll have the choice of small and large options, while for PDFs, you can select from small, medium, and large options. And there you have it, the power of Apple Notes at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.